Nanababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis C. Soning here in Pampanga. Ngini po nga doon ini at yung po kining Magalang, Pampanga. And we were invited to check out ini pong restaurant apin nining CT Gourmet. Wait lang. Iyan ang CT Gourmet Magalang. Isa sa mga restaurants na pinuntahan namin na bukod sa masarap ang mga pagkain, murang-mura at abot kaya. Isa nga ang vlog na yan sa mga most viewed namin dito sa Werin, Pampanga. And according sa mga comments sa video namin, super satisfied naman ang mga bumibisita doon. At dahil naging successful ang kanilang Magalang branch, nag-open si CT Gourmet ng second branch nila sa Angeles City. At yan nga ang feature natin for today. So ayun nga guys, ang partner restaurant natin today ay si CT Gourmet. But this time, ang vlog natin is sa kanilang Angeles City branch. Right after nga ng success ng kanilang first branch sa Magalang, they plan to open the Angeles City branch. Since sa nangyari nga sa COVID-19 pandemic, nag-iba ang normal ng mga tao and kasama dyan ang mga restaurants. Kaya buksan na natin yung mga food boxes na pinadala nila para matikman natin. So, first on our food box guys, this is the crispy sisig kare-kare. Check that out. Let's put this here. And then next. Wow! Look at the serving of this. Nasa mga all-time favorite dishes sa CT Gourmet Magalang, if I can recall, is kanilang pancit canton. Check this out. And then, isa pa sa mga dishes nila ay ang shawarma salad. Of course, it comes with the shawarma salad dip. Let's open this. Amazing. Bango. Ang bango. Food box na inopen natin ay ang kanilang Shanghai Silog. If I can still remember, this is one of their best sellers in Magalang. Continuing with the food boxes, guys. Wow! I can still remember. So, isa sa mga tinikman din natin to, yung kanilang buffalo wings. One of their best sellers sa kanilang Magalang menu. Again, bukod sa mura, guys. Sobrang sarap nun. And then lastly, their clubhouse. Very perfect for nagtatrabaho sa bahay. If you can't go out of your house because of your job, might as well order na lang po kayo. So, these amazing dishes are available sa mga.ph and soon it will be also available on other food delivery apps. So, isa sa mga ina-assure ni CT Gourmet, although nag-branch out sila sa Angeles City, is to retain the traditional way of the dishes are being cooked. So I can still remember yung interview natin sa kanila. It's just, they love cooking. Yeah, they love cooking. Magiging mas masarap yung mga dishes nila dahil may pagmamahal yung kanilang. The craft that they do is really coming from the heart. Mas masarap ternohan ang crispy kare-kare kung meron tayong rice. Bago yun, titingnan muna natin siya ng white rice. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? It is still crispy. Amazing. Very, very soon, most probably next month or up until umayos yung situation natin sa COVID-19, mag-accept na sila ng mga bulk orders and party packages coming very, very soon. I can still remember what I said in the last vlog. Kumantaya. Wow, imagine this 50 pesos buffalo wings silogs. As soon as the situation becomes normal, even catering services po ay mag-o-offer na sila. Alright, so there you have it guys. Let's get excited for CT Gourmet Angeles City branch. And soon they will be serving new dishes available for delivery and for pickup. Strictly no walk-ins po sila. Just contact them on their fan page or the phone number I'm gonna be flashing. if you want to experience amazing dishes just like what we did way there in Magalang and sa table ko ngayon. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you on our next video. See you. Bye.